G'day gang, and how's it going? Welcome to Jensens' Journey of Discovery.
You can see here I'm regularly checking down the length of the blade. This is to ensure I'm taking material off each side evenly, so the handle won't be off center. Now that we have quenched, I want to check the hardness with a file test. So now that we've successfully hardened the blade, it's time to grind it out. Whoop, forgot my mask. Safety first, kids. So here I'm grinding off the forged scale, that I seem to have a fucking lot of, and then we're going to finish the edge and the blade. For whatever reason, when I quenched the blade, the surface bubbled and produced a lot of scale. If you know why this may be, please leave a comment below. In order to clean up the blade, I'm grinding the nuts flat surfaces as well as sharpening the edge of the blade. You can see here I'm regularly checking down the length of the blade. This is to ensure I'm taking material off each side evenly, so the handle won't be off center. Usually you'd want to use a jig to sharpen the edge, especially if you're a beginner. A jig allows you to keep the angle between the grinder and the blade consistent, to ensure an even and controlled edge angle. Because I'm a mad and I'm more concerned with getting my first blade done than I am with the quality of that blade, I'm not doing that here, but I would recommend against it. You may have noticed that I periodically do something, that blue box behind the grinder. Or maybe not, I edit it out a lot. In that box, I have a small family of blacksmith elves. Whenever I make a cup, I put the edge in there and they fix it for me. You probably realize that that's complete bullshit. The elves live under the table, not on the tabletop. In that container I have some water. Grinding the steel can cause it to heat up, causing discoloration. Discolorization? In the form of bluing of the steel. By dipping the steel in water periodically, we are cooling it down and preventing the steel from bluing. I was pleasantly surprised to see an interesting pattern in the blade after I ground off a lot of the scale. Once again, no f***ing clue why this occurred, but if you know, don't be a dick and let me know in the comments why this might happen. Thanks for tuning in to this episode of Jensens' Journey. Please like, subscribe, all the rest of that YouTube bullshit, and I hope to see you next time. Mate, the show's over. What are you still doing here? I got places to be. Well, if you're still gonna fucking hang around, you might as well go and watch one of my other videos.